Hello, good evening. My name is Seidu Najimatu. I'm a sales executive at Indus Ghana. I'm here to talk to you about our LG InstaView Door Indoor Refrigerator. Thank you.
The LG side-by-side InstaView Door Indoor Refrigerator with dispenser is a masterclass that fits well in your kitchen or living room. Its aesthetic quality is top-notch, delivering to you the utmost satisfaction you need in a refrigerator. It serves both your stylish taste and is also spacious enough to take all your stuff. Energy saving with inverter linear compressor. LG inverter linear compressor has revolutionized the core of refrigerator, providing up to 32% in energy savings, top rate durability, and optimal temperature control to keep foods fresher longer. InstaView Door Indoor. Knock twice to see inside. With two quick knocks on the sleek glass panel, you see inside and check your everyday items, favorite snacks, and beverages without opening the door, preventing cold air from escaping and keep food fresher for longer.
Raid the fridge without losing your cool. An easy access compartment allows you to quickly get your hands on frequently used items like milk, cheese, and snacks without opening the full door, reducing the amount of cold air that escapes. Door cooling. Up to 19% faster and even cooling everywhere. The air vents located at the top front of the fridge helps maintain temperature to keep your food items fresh. UV Nano self-cleaning water dispenser. The UV Nano feature cleans inside of the water nozzle automatically for 10 minutes every hour, or can be activated manually. The water dispenser dispenses 3 different items, namely water, cube ice, and crush ice. 99.999% fresh air. The intelligent air filter can not only remove bacteria up to 99.999%, but also minimize bad odor in the refrigerator. In addition, you can keep your food items fresher in the cleaner condition. With ThinkQ, you can control and diagnose your refrigerator by your smartphone, even when you are not at home. Easily set the refrigerator temperature, control hygiene fresh, and diagnose your refrigerator with simple touch on your smartphone. The refrigerator also has smart touches, which enables you to operate your refrigerator in a simple manner. We are Indus Ghana. You can locate us in Kumasi, Sinyani, Tamale, and Techima. You can also browse our website on www.indusghana.com or call us on 03720942219. Thank you.